Hey guys, Brandon with Great Escapes RV Center with a quick tip to save you a trip to the dealership. So one issue we've had a lot of is with this new Dometic thermostat. It just doesn't seem to work, or it just goes haywire and does whatever it wants. It doesn't do what I want it to do. So, if instead of pushing it like a button, you'll treat it like a touch screen, just touch it ever so gently, almost as if a mother's embrace, then you can make the thermostat do what you want it to do without it going haywire. This is Brennan with your quick tip to save you a trip.